Hello, welcome back to the Rainbow Hair Files. Today I will be showing you how to do this braided hairstyle. It's a little bit more complex than the other tutorials on this channel, so if you want something a little bit easier, definitely go check out our other videos. But if you want to see how we did this, then keep watching. To start off, I am detangling Alethia's hair. I'm going to spray it with water and then use our favorite Curly Kids Curly Cream leave-in conditioner, then detangle with our comb. Okay, so to make our first section, I'm going to part at just about ear level, right at the back of her head. This is what the section should look like. Now I'm going to part that into 4 smaller sections that will become our first braids. I'm going to use some of our Just For Me Natural Hair Milk Smoothing Edges Cream and a toothbrush to make sure I get all the little hairs slicked down, and it just helps keep the style looking clean. Go ahead and braid each section and tie it off however you want. I used some beads in this style, but that's totally optional. Now before we move on to doing more of the box braids, we need to section off the top of our head. This will be where the cornrows are going. So for the first section on the right, you're going to create kind of like a side part in the hair. Then curve the part to the right and bring it down to right by the ear. Tie that section off, and then for the section on the left, you're going to curve the part down to the ear on the left side. It should look like this. So going back to the box braids, the next section you're going to make is just going straight across the back of the head. Try your best to keep each section at the back the same size as the one below it. Go ahead and part your first box, then use the gel and the toothbrush to smooth it out, and then braid. So once you're done with the box braids, we're going to move on to braiding the cornrows. I did not get a great video of parting, but basically you're going to create like a soft S shape when you part each section. It's going to curve one way and then curve in the other direction. Use some of the gel again, as this will help with the braiding. Then go ahead and braid to the head all the way down. Keep making your S-type sections until the right section is all braided. Now for the left side, you're going to create parts that go straight back with maybe a slight curve to the left right at the end. Go ahead and braid each section back. The style should look something like this when you're done. I hope you liked this tutorial, and we will talk to you guys in the next video.